Hello everyone, my name is John Paul. I'm studying first year at Carney Institute of Technology and Sciences. Now we are going to explain. I'm going to explain the practicum number 2 of our mathematics subjects. So the goal of this practicum is to solve an partially differential equation xp plus yq is equal to z using a SymPy library, basically Python, to solve it. So the first 6 lines we are going to import SymPy and a special tool called pd.solve, which is basically inside the SymPy library, and then sorry and then we are going to define our variables x and y, and but we notice that we defined z as a function of x and y because z is basically a function of x and y and not actually a separate variable. And then we are going to build our equation sp dot using the function sp dot def z comma x. So this is basically differentiating that z is a function of x, and then we are going to differentiate the function z with respect to x, and then once again we are going to differentiate z with respect to y, which is basically the actual function of this practicum. And then finally we are going to use the pd solve to do the heavy lifting. It automatically applies Lagrange's method to find the solution and prints out the final characteristics curves. So we are using sp.prettyprint because it gives in the mathematical format in which we can read. So now let's run the program to see the answer, and we are using the Python debugger so to run the thing, as this is a Python script. Now it started running. Yes, and general answer is z of x comma y is equal to x dot f of y by x, which is the final answer. And this concludes our practicum 2. Thank you.